Elizabeth, but you can call me Libby, and I have a Stitch Fix. And if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, it is a clothing subscription service, and I have a style pass, so I get unlimited fixes throughout the year for, I think it was $50 or $60. So I asked this one to be pushed outside of my comfort zone. So when you order a Stitch Fix, forgive the rustling here. Woo! Okay. Ooh. You get, let's see, what is this? Oh, Freestyle. That's their, like, you can check out what we have and purchase without trying it on kind of thing. In here there is a poly mailer to send the stuff back that you don't want. And then you get this little envelope of all the information. So pricing I'm going to look at later. And then you get the, oh, hello, little style card. And there we go. You get a little note. Hi Elizabeth, happy Fix Day. It's officially cozy season and your Fix number 12 is here. As your stylist, I'm thrilled to be working with you once again. I was pleased to see that you fell in love with pieces from your last Fix. I did, and decided to keep the entire assortment. Also did. I was so pleased to see that you enjoyed the preview that I made for you. One of the things about Stitch Fix is they send you 7, 8, something like that, items, and then you can go through and say, yes, send me this one to try on, or no, don't send me that one. And then if you don't pick 5, they fill in the blanks and send them to you, and I didn't pick 5 this time. I read your request to be pushed outside of your comfort zone, and I was more than happy to fulfill this request and also include a pair of biker-styled boots for you. Yay. I was so excited to see that you added 3 items from the preview. I know these pieces will be great addition to your wardrobe. Starting with the Market and Spruce booties, try pairing them with the Lefty and Me sweater, tribal skirt, ooh, a pair of stockings, and the Coatigan from last Fix. I love that Coatigan. I wore it to New York City. It was fantastic. Looking forward to reading your thoughts. Best, Maya. Thank you, Maya. So, shoes, but let's start with this. This is Lefty and Me Joselina long sleeve sweater in black. Oh, that's cute. Look at it. It's like black and gold. That's really cute. Oh my gosh, it's got elbow patches. Oh, cutie. It's a little longer, it looks like, and it's got sort of a swooped hem. It's very technical, right? A swooped hem. It's great material. It's a little bouncy, but it feels like it would keep you warm. That is really, that's cute. Okay. Let's see. I didn't do the cute little preview because it just kind of all chucked out of the wrapping. All right. This is, what is this? Okay. The General Good is the name of the brand. It's the Joy Smocked Cropped Blouse. Oh, it's a smocked and cropped and sheer. Can you see? It's sheer. It's really cute, but oh, that is really outside of my comfort zone. But fun, right? That's fun. And it's got good stretch, and it's got like a little flouncy at the bottom. We're gonna see. I asked, right? I asked. I did ask. Okay, what is this? Ooh, this is a skirt by Tribal. It's the Remington Slit Pocket Skort. Oh, it's a skort. That's cute. Super stretchy. Oh, that's kind of nice. And let's see, what is this? I haven't had a skort on since I was in elementary school. Yeah, I don't think I wore them in middle, but I wore them in elementary school. Child of the 70s and 80s skirts were big. Oh, but it does have a little side pocket. I'm gonna try it. These, oh, black jeans. These are, oh, but they're Liverpool. Liverpool is nice, but it's expensive. It's the Liverpool Abbey High Rise Skinny Jean. It says gray. I don't know, it doesn't look gray to me, but the lighting up here is not great. Oh, it looks black, but it's super stretchy the whole way down. Just no rips, no tears. Might be nice to have a pair of black jeans. But if you watched my last one, there were skinny jeans in there, and I tend to like hike them because they pull down. But we're going to check those out. And then this is exciting. These are Market and Spruce Halen Block Heel Lace Up Ankle Booties. I have big feet with high arches, so, oh, those are cute. I don't know how that, oh, maybe because it's got the lace and the zipper, that is might be a savior here, because my arches are so big, whenever it's just like goring here, I can't get my foot in. Does anyone else have really tall arches? It's a pain. Because, you know, all the styles of the boots now are just like, oh, slip your foot in. But I'm like, I can't slip my foot in. I've tried and sweated and, you know, like taken off layers as I'm trying to try on booties because, like, yanking. But these might work because of the zipper. But those are kind of cute. They're like suede material. And they've got a nice chunky heel. I'm excited. Okay, yay! This is a good one. This is comfort and adjacent. Like, black jeans, fine. The sweater, super cute. The other things, not sure. So I am going to try on, I'm just going to try on the sweater with my, I got joggers on now. Oh, I guess I can try my sweater on with the black jeans. I'm going to do that. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the first outfit. The sweater is really cute. It's like the scalloped. It's not big and boxy. But it feels like it's got stretch and room. I can move around. Here's the back. So it covers like just below the cheeks down there. The material is great. We've just got a black ribbing here, a little tiny black cuff, and then the rest is the black and gold, and it's sort of like a muted gold and then a cream. This is really comfy. This is a great sweater. It's cute, but not like super trendy or anything, but I really like it. This is good. The jeans, great idea. And I like the black with them, but they are skinnies. So I'm going to spend the day doing this. But here they are. Here's the back. Got nice big pockets. They're at the ankle, but you know, there's room. I can move and squat and bend, but I feel like I will be hiking them up the whole time, even with a belt. It's that like push and pull that always happens. I don't know if anyone else gets that between like the top of your jeans and your knees. It's like a battle to keep it up. But these are, you know, these are great. They're very lightweight. I don't own black jeans, so they're good. I'm just not sure. It will really depend on how much these cost. But the sweater I think is super cute. So I am going to go really outside of my comfort zone next and try the skirt and the top and the boots. So I'll be back. Whew. Okay, so out of comfort zone, right? It's very cute. And I like it more than I really thought. My daughter is actually in here for this one and she approves. She's like, oh, you look so stylish. So here is the top. It's just you know, like almost said Velcro, elastic here. And then see-through, it's got the gathers on the sleeve. It's not as short as I thought it was. So even if I raise my hands, it doesn't show anything. So that's a good thing. And then the skirt, whoops, sorry, I gotta back up. Here we go. It's a skirt, but it, here's the back. Yeah, it's a little shorter than I am used to. I don't like showing my knees, but it is cute. It's not, it fits well. It's very stretchy. It's very comfortable. It's lightweight. It, you know, like the stylist said, I could wear tights underneath it and be warm, or I could sort of dress the shirt down with a pair of black jeans. Not those ones because they're too tight on my knees, but I'm gonna come right back and just focus on the shoes, though. I gotta tilt the camera. Hold on 1 second. Trying to get out of the shadow I'm creating of myself, but they're cute. They feel good. They need, you know, stretched out a little bit, but when you have wide feet, that tends to be the issue all the time. So they're good. They've got nice traction. I feel kind of solid in them. They will work with boot cut jeans, straight leg jeans. They're just versatile boots. So let's see, let me raise you back up here. Sorry. So what do you think on this one? This one is definitely outside of my comfort zone, but let me know. I'm going to put my regular clothes back on, and I am going to show my partner, and I am going to then check and see just what the damage is for these, and we'll go from there. But outside of my comfort zone, but kind of cute, no? Yeah. Okay. So, I know I showed this just a little bit, but they give you suggestions on how to style your item, so that's kind of cute. And sometimes you'll find previous things that you bought styled with new things that you could possibly purchase, so that's kind of nice. But here we go. So let's start with this. This one is by the General Good. This is the Joy cropped blouse in black and 1X, and it's $46. That's not bad for a shirt, right? $46. That's cute. What did you think about this? Was this, I mean, I was living my 90s fantasy here, right? It's a little bit of a throwback, reminded me of that. The colors, the square, the booties. Really, what did you think? Yay, nay? I need your feedback on that one. This is the skirt. This is by Tribal. It's the Remington Slit Pocket Skirt in black and size 16 for $54. Still not bad, right? Okay, so that is a little short for me. This is one that you're gonna have to, I don't know. And I'm gonna have to sit with this one for a little bit. But together, it's very cute. Oh, speaking of booties, 90s dream. The booties are by Market and Spruce. They're the Halen block-heeled lace-up booties in black, size 11, big barges, $89. Little expensive, but they're nice quality. They are suede. So I would spray the waterproofing spray on them, but I wear my boots for years and years and years and years. And I have one pair of black boots that are like real clunky kind of biker boots. And I have Sharpied and filled in the cracks on them because it's like pleather plastic. These are not, these are nice. So those I'm gonna think about too. They might be a Christmas present I buy for myself to give to my partner to give to me. We'll see. Next is it's by Letty and Me. It's the Jocelina long sleeve sweater in black. Oh, it's $44. That's a great price. If you looked from my last week, there was just a hoodie with Snow Day on it that I got from another box that was $20 some more. This is great. I really like this. That's a great price. And then lastly is the jeans. These are by Liverpool. They're the Abbey High Rise Skinny Jean in black and 16, and they're $98. I'm not surprised by that. Liverpool they're great quality. It's a great brand. They're expensive, and I'm not used to paying that amount of money for jeans. But if I kept everything, it's $331, which is awesome. Where is my other? Oh, my other box, it was like a crazy amount. If you keep all 5 of your stylist picks for Stitch Fix, you save 25%, which is $82.75. So that would bring the order down, if I kept everything, to $248.25. And then I have a $25 credit because my partner ordered a fix. So that drops down to $223.25 for 5 items. That is pretty darn good, including a pair of really expensive jeans. So this box I might have to think. No, you know what? I'm not going to wear those black jeans. So those black jeans are going to go back. So that kind of negates the 25%. But that's okay. So what do you think? Any keepers in here moving into the holiday season? I really like the boots. I really like that sweater. And I really like the shirt. So let me know. I hope you are having a wonderful kickoff to your Thanksgiving. And I will hopefully see you soon. Have a great day.